In this video, I will show you how to add image in PDF in Microsoft Edge. So let me show you step by step how to insert image in Microsoft Edge browser on your PDF. First off, after you open up your browser like this, so I'll start by opening now my PDF. Here is the PDF. After you open your PDF like this now, so the first thing to do now, click on this image button. Maybe your own would be like this. Just click on this option and select image. So from this option now, go and select the page that you want to add the image to it. So I'll just scroll to down and select a page from the PDF section. Let's say I want to select this one. So after you select the page that you want to add the image to it, so the next thing to do now, click on this option. So now here is it now. So the next thing to do now, all you have to do now, go ahead now and find the image insert section from this option. Let's go and check if there is image insert option. This is zoom out, fit, this one, 2 pages, 1 page. So as you can see now, as of now that I'm recording this video, now the option for you to add the image inside your PDF in Microsoft Edge browser is not available because Microsoft Edge has not enabled the option yet. But we hope the option will be available in the future updates. And that's it, guys. Now you cannot add image in your PDF on Microsoft Edge browser because the option is not available. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next one.